guys, Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing the different communication devices everyone uses in a virtual meeting. What devices, you ask? Let's compare how you sound like using a laptop mic versus a earpiece mic versus wireless earbuds mic versus a headset mic versus wireless headphones mic versus a USB condenser mic, and lastly, versus a dynamic mic with an audio interface combo. So wait, how many devices are those? Condenser mic, laptop mic, wireless mic, 7 devices in total. Now, the very reason why I am doing this video is because it seems not everyone is aware on how they sound like in a virtual meeting. A lot sounded very bad to the point where it will just annoy everyone who is present in the meeting. Well, if you don't talk a lot in a meeting or you're just mostly listening, you can get away with it. But if you're like me, who interfaces a lot with clients such as HR personnel, general managers, CEOs, business owners, you name it, then you cannot afford to sound bad. And especially if you're in sales and you need to do some sort of a pitch or presentation, then all the more reason you need to sound good. The impressions you make really goes a long way, and it's usually tied to the end result, whatever that may be. So yeah, we are in the age of virtual calls or meetings, and every one of us uses different devices to communicate with each other. By the end of this video, you will get some references on how you sound like in a meeting, in a virtual meeting, and see for yourself if you do need to upgrade your current audio setup. And for this test, I will be using Microsoft Teams, a very popular workspace or meeting platforms, and I will record myself using all of the devices I mentioned just now. As MS Teams or Zoom for that matter already have an inbuilt noise suppression feature, I'm going to turn that on and I'll just leave every settings on it at auto. Also, I won't be doing any audio processing for all the recording that I will do in Microsoft Teams. The only thing I will probably do is just to boost up the levels, making it sound a bit louder for everyone to listen to. Alright, let's first start with the most basic communication device, the default or the onboard microphone on your laptop, which is also known as the worst quality mic ever. Okay, so we are in Microsoft Teams and you are listening to the audio coming straight from the laptop mic. This is how you sound like if you're communicating virtually using just the onboard microphone on your laptop. You are listening to the audio coming straight from the earpiece mic. This is how you sound like if you are communicating virtually using just the earpiece mic jacked into your laptop. You are listening to the audio coming straight from the earpiece mic, hands-free. This is how you sound like if you're communicating virtually using just the earpiece mic jacked into your laptop, hands-free. You are now listening to the audio coming straight from the wireless earbuds mic. This is how you sound like if you're communicating virtually using the microphone on the wireless earbuds. You are listening to the audio coming straight from the microphone on the wireless headphones. This is how you sound like if you are communicating virtually using just the microphone on the wireless headphones. You are now listening to the audio coming straight from the Logitech gaming headset. This is the G933. This is how you sound like if you're communicating virtually using a gaming headset such as the Logitech G933 jacked into your laptop. You are now listening to the audio coming straight from a USB condenser microphone over here. And this is how you sound like if you're communicating virtually using just a USB condenser mic that is plugged into your laptop. You are currently listening to the audio coming straight from the dynamic mic over here, which is paired with an audio interface and jacked in straight into the laptop. This is how you sound like if you are communicating virtually using your dynamic mic with an audio interface combo plugged in into your laptop. Okay, so we are done with all the tests, and I don't have to tell you, the worst one of the bunch is the mic on the laptop. It's really terrible. It picks up all the ambient noise that is going on around you. So if you were to communicate using the mic on your laptop and you have a very noisy background, it's a very terrible idea. And the audio that you heard from the video sample is also when I turn on the noise suppression feature. It does not help at all. So a laptop mic is the worst. So if you do not know already, you sound terrible using the mic on your laptop. Don't do it. And the best sounding one is, of course, using a dynamic mic, something like this one. This is the Shure SM7b paired to an audio interface such as the Audient Evo 4, but that combo is rather pricey. It can go all the way up to about $700. Not for everyone. But then again, you don't have to get something crazy, something in the range of $700, but you can get a good enough quality using a dynamic mic, a cheap dynamic mic, as well as a budget audio interface like the combo over here, which is the Pyle PD78, as well as this Pyle audio interface. These two, it costs less than $120. I highly recommend them. And going to the next best is, of course, the USB condenser mic. This one is the Audio Technica AT2020 USB Plus. This costs about between $150 to $200. It's a very good investment. All you need to do is just get it close to your mouth, and when you start speaking, you sound good. A gaming headset is also good. This comes, of course, at third best. This is the Logitech G933. And because it is a gaming headset brands such as Razer, Logitech, Monster X Gears, they do have a lot of focus on the mic system because that's what they do. I mean, that's what gamers do. When they talk to their friends over when they're playing games, they want to sound good and they want to make sure that their friends are listening to them well, because it's all about communication and teamwork, right? So for a gaming headset, it's very hard to go wrong. And the ones that I think you should really also avoid is a toss-up between a wireless headset such as the Sennheiser Momentum 3 using the mic here, or something like your wireless bud system like your Apple Airpods, or this one. This is the Klipsch T5 True Wireless Sports McLaren Edition, or even the ones that comes together with your phone. In order to sound good, you need to make sure the mic system, the mic module, is all the way close up to your mouth. And just now you see that if it's hands-free, you don't sound good at all. You sound a bit muffled, a bit very far away, like as if you're talking at a distance. And if you're doing presentation, you need to be typing, I don't know, maybe left hand on your keyboard and the right hand on your mouse. You don't have a third hand to hold this close to your mouth. So how then do you do it? I mean, this will not look good at all, right? One other thing you could do is possibly to just scotch tape this to your mouth. But if you have a lot of facial hair, it's going to be a problem. So yeah, my recommendation, these ones, don't get it. Laptop mic, forget it. A balancing act would be something like this, a USB condenser. Again, $150 to $200, depending on where you get them. But I feel it is a very good investment because, let's just face it, virtual calls not going anywhere. Is going to be with us rather permanently, at least for another year. Alright guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Now you know how you sound like in a virtual meeting or a virtual call. Alright, if you do enjoy this video, do hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. I just want to also wish everyone a happy advanced Chinese New Year, because Chinese New Year is just around the corner. Remember guys, if you are going visiting, do not flout the rules. You'll be in great trouble. You don't want to be spending money on fines. If you want to give away money, give me. I'll gladly accept it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool, stay healthy. Bye.